position in Punjab University Annual Exam LLB Final Year 2012.
Asim is an active member of Free Legal Aid Cell QLC. He is member of QLC Blood Bank and also member of Literary Society of QLC. Asim Sagir.
Now I call overall third position in Punjab University Annual Exam LLB Final Year 2012, Miss Humaira Tariq.
Humaira has secured a gold
Our
medal.
parents are also requested to accompany their intelligent daughter.
Humaira has secured a gold medal in administrative law, a silver medal in minor acts, a silver medal in labor laws, and a bronze medal in CPC. Ladies and gentlemen, Humaira Tariq.
Humaira has also joined as permanent faculty member of Quaid-e-Azam Law College, Lahore. There should be a special clap for Humaira for securing so many prizes. Meher Batul, overall second position in Punjab University Annual Exam LLB Part 2 2011. Our parents are also requested to accompany their intelligent daughter, and Sir Zahid Hussain Okai Saab is also requested to come on stage.
Meher has secured a gold medal in administrative law, a silver medal in minor acts, a silver medal in labor laws, and also a bronze medal in CPC. Meher Batul.
Meher Batul is also declared Best All-Rounder for the year 2011. Ali Bukhari is also requested to come on stage. And share these moments of success. LLB पार्ट 3 के इनामात के बाद अब मैं LLB पार्ट 2 के इनामात के लिए सबसे पहले बुलाऊंगा सदफ आबिद भट्ट, ओवरऑल 3rd पोजीशन इन पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी, LLB पार्ट 2 2011।
Sadaf is an executive member.
सदफ के वालिदैन को भी बुलाना चाहूंगा मैं स्टेज पर।
Sadaf is an executive member, study circle, executive member of QLC Moon Club. She is member Free Legal Aid Cell and also member QLC Blood Bank. Sadaf Abed Bhatt.
Hafiz Ubaidullah, overall 2nd position in Punjab University annual examination, LLB Part 2, 2012.
Hafiz Ubaidullah is an executive member of Study Circle. He's an executive member of
His parents are also requested to accompany their intelligent son. Please come on stage.
He's an executive member of QLC Mood Club. He's a member of Free Legal Aid Cell and a member of QLC Blood Bank. Ladies and gentlemen, Hafiz Ubaidullah.
Emily secured a silver medal in cyberspace laws, a bronze medal in communication skills, bronze medal in law of contract, and she's also a member of Literary Society QLC. Kanwal Nas.
On securing 1st division marks as per college policy, she has also been awarded a cash prize. Serish Sardar, 2nd position in Punjab University, LLB Part 1, 2012. Our parents are also requested to accompany their daughter.
Sehrish is an executive member of QLC Mood Club. She's a member of Dramatic Club. She's a member of Blood Bank of QLC and she's also a member of Pro Bono Work Society. Sehrish Sardar.
In the annual examination of Punjab University, LLB Part 1 year 2012. From 33 affiliated law colleges, 3,919 students appeared. And student of Quaid-e-Azam Law College Lahore, Rafia Nawaz Raja secured overall 1st position. Our parents are also requested to accompany their daughter on the stage.
Rafia has secured a gold medal in law of contract, a gold medal in criminal law, silver medal in communication skills, and she's also a member Law Moon Club QLC. Rafia Nawaz Ranja.
On securing इस बॉक्स में से किसी एक का नाम, एक फैकल्टी मेंबर का नाम निकालिए जिसको आज उम्र की सादत के लिए भिजवाया जाएगा। ये हमारे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स में से किसी एक टीचर का, आपके फेवरेट टीचर का नाम निकलेगा इंशाल्लाह। और ये नाम मैं चाहूंगा प्रिंसिपल नबी मलिक साहब से कि वो आकर अनाउंस कर दें।